that's good. Nice. It's dangerous though. You saw there's 3 ounces of booze in there. Hey everybody, Chef John here at Urbs and Spices, and welcome to Getting Crafty. This is a series where we'll be making cocktails and mocktails that involve using ingredients or recipes that we have made. This one is really cool. It's a pumpkin martini, and it's actually utilizing the pumpkin spice creamer that we made in a previous recipe. Okay, we got 4.5 ounces, which is, this is a 1.5 measure, so we'll do this 3 times. And then we're gonna measure out 1 ounce of Rumchata. The other side of the measure is 1 ounce dark rum, Captain Morgan's. And Stoli vanilla. Whoops. I'm a chef, not a bartender. My wife's a bartender. Here we go. All right, all that's in. Put the top on. Make sure it's on good. Finger over the top so it doesn't pop off. Want to get a little bit of shake in there. Gives it a little bit of foam on top, which is nice. And then we'll just pour it in there. And to finish it off, got a little nutmeg with our microplane. Just gonna grate a little fresh nutmeg over the top of it. Tap it out. And then you can enjoy it. Oh, that's good. Nice. It's dangerous though. You saw there's 3 ounces of booze in there. So be careful, but enjoy. And happy holidays.